learn and grow. K. K is for kitten. Let's make a playful kitten. As usual, we will start with the eyes. And cute little nose and mouth. Now the head and body. Then its little tail. A ball of yarn to play. Now let's color it. We will start with yellow in the eyes. And a little bit of orange. Pink in the ears. Now, orange in the fur. We'll leave it right under the nose, on the chest, and at the tips of paws and tail. Brown for the darker patterns. Now pink and black in the ball of yarn. Now let's blend it. This looks so adorable. Look at those cute little eyes. I just love it. You also like it, right? Thank you for watching. For more videos, check the links in the description. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.